put the good in the good in the good.
What's going on, guys? Vonix here, and today I'm coming back with another video. I'm going to be unboxing another fidget spinner, but actually this one's actually a different one because my other one I swapped for this one. Yeah, so it's a lot smaller than the other one, and this one makes a kind of bit of a noise, but yeah. But it's only if you go like this. See, this is a new fidget spinner. You can see there. If you go like that, that's only the time it makes a noise if you go like that. But if you just spin it normal, only makes a bigger noise. Sorry about if you can hear that in the background. Luke's being annoying. Yeah, Luke, can you please be quiet?
Can't you sit down?
You can kind of hear you in background, you know, talking. I mean, banging stuff. So anyway, this is actually the new fidget spinner.
I just walked upstairs.
I know, I heard you. Right, so we're going to be seeing how long this one can spin against this one. So this is a normal one, as you can tell. Right, so let's get on to the timer. Lou, do you know at school how they use that online timer?
Yeah.
I use the exact same thing for timing this. Yeah, only so I can time it. Could you see me? So while they're actually doing it, right, Luke, can you be quiet? Right, so while they're actually doing it, I'm going to be talking to you probably because I want to count up, I don't want to count down.
I'm getting me fidget spinner now,
What the hell? This camera's doing my head in. It's not even... Oh, here. Oh, I need. Right, so... See if you can see the fidget spinners. Right, so here they are. I'm going to be starting this one like that. Then that one like that. So let's get into it. It's only been 2 minutes, but... Right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait. Stopping it, guys. Stopping it. Right, we're going to be seeing how long these two fidget spinners can... Luke, if you talk away, might not be able to hear you because like, all I can hear is these fidget spinners. Yeah. I know. But Dom told me only spin for like 3 minutes. Which one do you think's going to win? Luke, get your opinion on it. Dom, Luke, which one do you think?
Bombs.
So, no, mine, you mean?
Yeah.
Luke thinks the one that I've just unboxed is going to win. I think that one as well because look, you can tell this one's still doing it. This one's actually kind of going to stop. So, when I've done it, I'm going to put the timer on the screen how long it has actually been. So yeah, oh my god, Luke, as if the flipping pink one's stopping. Can you see on camera?
Yeah.
The pink one's stopping.
Already?
Yeah, it's only been 1 minute and 15 seconds. Jesus. Oh my god, the pink one stopped.
Yeah.
Well, it ain't, but basically. So I'm gonna put it on the screen. Now, how long this has been? So that's 1:33. So let me just put it in chat so I don't 1:33 so I don't forget it. Let's go back onto the timer. So as you can tell, mine only span yesterday 2 minutes something. I can't really remember. I'll check the video out after this to see which one span for longer. But it is now 2 minutes and the other one's still spinning, so I'm just going to play with this pink one because it's stopped. The other one's about to, well not about to, but it's kind of stopping.
That'll last another 4 minutes, I bet.
It won't because it's only been 2 minutes 15.
Oh. I bet it'll last until 4 minutes.
It won't because it's about to stop if you look at camera, Luke.
Oh yeah.
Dom said to me it spanned for 3 minutes, so let's see if it actually spins for 3 minutes.
I bet it's 4 minutes.
I don't think it will. I think it'll actually be 3 minutes. Hey.
How long's it been? So I might take over your channel someday. I might take over your channel, Reese. Your channel. Mine.
Oh, what the hell, Luke? It's 3 minutes. It's hit 3 minutes.
Yeah. Don't, Reese, don't edit your video and upload it straight after. Um,
3 minutes 19. Damn, I thought we were going to finish at like 2 minutes. 3 minutes 19, guys. So, yeah. Please like and subscribe. And I've been Vonix. You guys have been awesome. This has been fidget spinner versus normal fidget spinner. And I've been Vonix. And you guys have been awesome. Peace.